go and chat. You see, I'm not going like the perfect. I only parent don't have to save the boy. Yo, the man don't like my ear. Yo, king man. I can't even know that, brother. I'm dark in a king. Butcha. Butcha. You see, man, I move like him, I idiot.
Butcha, are you brother that?
I worry, man, why worry me, you know? I'm come to tell the man the truth, something I like how my move.
Alright, brother. Grievous words stir up anger. And if you build here and rebuild the unity here, what kind of thing I want? Yeah, man, let's hold our mates. Let's get some break. Here, I still your charge. No matter what. You're overs.
Yo, king man. Oh, I just not like how a girl I move, brother. You see me, I say, after what go on, brother, the man get shot in the brother. I come here for link him man in the dog, save the man. Good. You see me? And the welcome where a girl give me, brother, is not welcome.
No worry, man. She was just acting out of emotions. Remember, she love him, you know, and him get shot. And she feel like I'm association causing. Yeah, you know a woman stay. You understand? So no vex with her or have her up the fiercely want to defend the safety of the man where she love.
Yo, you know what hurt me?
Yeah.
The man stand up on the girl that they talk and the man that said nothing, you know, king. And she talk about a thing, you know, brother.
Butcha, me and you know, say the woman's strength her mouth. And once you go off, she go say a bag of things. If she say nice things, it's a bag of nice things. And if she corrupt, it's a bag of corrupt things she go say. I just that.
Yo, king man, I can't even know, you know, brother. I lose a dog already, you know, king man. In a similar situation, you know, brother. Over a dispute and me and the man fall out, you know, brother. You see it, you know what pain me heart. Me and the youth, they never get frustrated out back before him drop out, you know. And me can't make this happen to me and the youth, you know. You get me I say?
And that's why you can't try to solve it between you and your friend with anger and aggression, brother. Here, come, we'll go back in there some time.
Okay. Allow me allow the youth there, then. You hear me I tell them? Let me come see, but never come home, yeah? Big up yourself.
God have mercy upon us.
Precious, we truly hope that there are more of us. Because at the end of the day, I'm my soldier then. I ain't see any funny fuck.
Action.
Butcha, Precious, the man them double them thing in I. Yo, Butcha, the man go on like a sheriff wants time, be foolish where you ain't this one with a bad man.
See you, you're going to call you perfect, you know, brother. I want this brother, you do boy, let's see if you do boy.
Alright, Vicious.
Look what you move, yeah.
Hit maker. Fam, let me know.
Look what you move, man, I ain't here for that, man.
Boy, you think that they're gonna call the name?
Action.
Butcha, hit maker.
God have mercy upon us.